Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you are all fine. By the grace of Allah, Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. I would like to say something about myself. My full name is Hafiz Muhammad Abdul Alim and my short name is Abdul Alim. You can call me Abdul Alim. I am from Shorvagaturia, uh, which is located in Bachamara sub-district, Dorodpur district, Manikganj. I am a student of Madrasatu Shaikh Muzdin Dhaka. Currently, I am 19 years old. I want to be an Islamic scholar in my future. My father's name is Maulana Muhammad Abdul Sattar. He is a businessman. We are five members. My sister, my one sister, and my two brothers. First brother's name Abdullah, and third brother's name Safwan. I my favorite game is cricket. My favorite food is beef biryani. My favorite color white. I like to uh, I like to spend by reciting the Holy Quran. I hope is I hope is reciting the Holy Quran all time. I am simple, honest, and years old. Here.